Hello, my name is Matthew Smith and I want to show you how to create a query today based off of a table. Here we have the animals table. This is a topic I have struggled with throughout the chapters, but I've been able to master it and now able to show you. First, we go to create, then to queries, queries design. We want to use the animals table, so we click on animals, add, and exit out of this. In order to find the animal ID, the animal type, and whether it's not endangered, we're going to place them all in the fields. Animal ID in the fields, and we want to sort this in ascending order. Next, we want to put animal type to recognize the species. We do not want to sort that. We also want to put endangered as the third field. We also do not want to sort that. Notice that all three of them have a check mark to show in the query. Next, what you do is you run it. And here you go. Here is all the information from the animals table, and here's the condensed version of what we need to find: the animal ID, the animal type, and whether it's endangered. Thank you.